LED600W Grow Light Kit. Actual power is 220 watts, high PPFD. The PPFD is 1316 moles per square meter, sec at the height of 18 inches, AC 85 to 265 volts. It could be connected with HPS. Not suggest. Patented unique design of reflector cups for higher light gathering effect. High PAR value and Lux value than normal LED grow light, reducing light and PAR value loss. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Grow Tent. 96% highly reflective waterproof diamond Mylar, heavy-duty 600D lightproof Oxford cloth, diameter 16 mm white paint-coated metal rods, and 16 mm plastic corners. Number 2. 4 inches fan and filter and ducting and combo. 10 inches height by 7 inches depth, 1.5 inches carbon layer, fan, 120 volts 60Hz, 101 watt, 0.86A, 2850 RPM, 189 CFM, 4 inches double layer duct 4-inch SB 25 feet. Number 3. Suitable for the various stages of plant growth, featuring a user-friendly, full-spectrum design. You can easily grow your plants in any growth cycle required like germination, seedling, veg, flower. Number 4. LED600W light. Actual power consumption, 220 watts, growth and flower spectrum of light, 28 pieces 660 nanometers 16 pieces 640 nanometers, 8 pieces 440 nanometers, 4 pieces 460 nanometers, 4 pieces 470 nanometers, 2 pieces 525 nanometers, 2 pieces 730 nanometers. Integrated LED effectively improve color uniformity and luminous efficiency, which make a great help in the vegetative and blooming stage of your plants. Optical reflector enhance the output of PAR value of LED grow light. Best heat dissipation for the best stability and longest lifetime. Number 5. 32 inches by 32 inches by 63 inches grow tent. 100% highly reflective waterproof diamond Mylar, enhance the reflective effect, heavy-duty 600D lightproof Oxford cloth. Frame. 16 mm, dia, white paint-coated metal rods and 16 mm, dia, sturdy plastic connectors, large heavy-duty zippers and double stitching for protection against light leaks. Multiple vents for fan and filter output. Number 6. 4 inches fan filter combo. Filter. 10 inches height by 7 inches depth, 1.5 inches carbon layer, zinc-anodized steel housing mesh. Use coal-based activated carbon. Machine-packed carbon enables 100% filtered airflow. Inline duct fan. 120 volts 60Hz, 101 watt, 0.86A, 2850 RPM, 189 CFM. Wired with junction box, strain relief, and power cord, fluted on both ends to receive ducting. Silver flex ducting. Double layer duct 4 inches by 25 feet, double silver layer, 4 inches 1/2. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.